Be to the most I give thanks till I burn down to the ground. You know, if it's first time watching, please do subscribe, like, share, leave the comments, you know it go. You know what I mean? We there fight a war. So this is part 10, 15 and pregnant. You know what I mean? We wait for it from last week. So see come this week. Alright, tell our family, tell our friend, tell everybody say it about, because that's what I know say come out today, you know. Call them and tell them. Alright, watch it and enjoy. Leave a comment. Let's go.
We got, whoa, we got, oh, hey, it's not like yesterday. We got problem now, we got problem now, we got problem now. We got problem now, we got problem now. We got problem now, we got problem now. You can run but you can't hide. You can run but you can't hide. You'll have to pay for the things them you do. Not gonna get away so easy. Not gonna get away so easy. We got problem now. 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 Not because me easy, not because I play it cool. I ain't no fool. It no matter if me know you from basic school. You cross the line, you shoulda never mess with mine. We got, oh we got problem now. We got problems now. Not gonna get away so easy. Not gonna get away so easy. Not gonna get away so easy. We got problems now. We
Kayla. Me good on for me take my baby and walk good on for the beach here. Me will call one job and make him carry time. Man and son want to be able to get and you little in your bed. Okay. Hello. You hear the on the road? Alright, no matter if you're on the road or not. Remember, me want to try to take a picture down on the beach. I want me to carry my granddad to on the beach side and come back. Alright, me do up on the gate. Alright.
So okay, the girl go dip him.
No, me not dip her. Me just a go walk her on the beach.
Oh.
She's too young to get deep now, man.
So you go. Silent going with the sleep.
You know, it's early morning, baby, if you want baby early morning.
Yeah.
But Kayla, he wrap up her head to toe over there.
No young people done, you know. So your father no come walk him.
I'm gonna talk about that the father there right now. Alright now mood on mine, Kayla just done with you, but you don't know what Kayla sing at this boy. So you don't worry yourself, you're married. Me have a plan for you.
The vehicle.
Eh?
The next vehicle I buy, the boy them general me so it not work. Transmission in night now work. You know, get scammed by some people up the line there. You know you go, John and sleep, you know. I left it down there.
No, you don't need to let me know because I don't plan to stay long. If I walk in on the girl 10 minutes and then I turn back.
I wake her up a while ago, you know. So while you can walk, I will just go back and look in now till you're ready because I have a 4 journey. Yeah, but the baby father take care of the baby.
You don't need to know, you know. The baby I get all what she need.
Oh, you not deal with it?
That man found Taylor pregnant and me I go to that man and tell that man say, take care, not even man, that little boy. Take care if I want to you go get Taylor and he say I'm going to do it. Up till now Taylor can't get that money there.
Them get pregnant.
I mean, that's so wicked. That boy have too much woman.
I don't go through it because there's a lot of different women about the same way, but when they did sweet them, when they did happy. No, why time if she will breed again?
But already. You see, in bring out of school education, if you think about right now. You know, next baby.
He soon turn 16 now. Right. So you go.
Hey, Mr. Kayla, lucky. If I didn't want time, me father happy foot and in hand them.
Just go and cool out till whenever you come back.
there for the seaside. On the beach, man. Yeah, me walk with granddaughter. Alright. I'm the pork, man. Yeah. Get my face and take it off. Nicholas, you want to walk this baby father, you know? You walk this, you can't walk this no more. No more. Excuse. When you be up there with Kelly, you don't have a bus bumping a girl's face.
Nah, bus bump my face, me see like something.
Shame. You tell her it's a shame. Are you? You're gonna start from here. Look here, you're not having a baby outside. You don't know why you come by your house to baby. Where? Palm Beach with other girl. What can I do? When Kayla have baby, where should I do? Somebody think about it. After you done bus bumping a Kayla friend, yes. Are you? You walk this still. Thank you. Walk this man. Thank you. What's daddy? Come now.
We are not some good favor me. Girl, we get. Vietnam, I look for the baby there. Come now. You
see the woman now want to see the baby?
I don't do those things about that. I'm going to go look on it. Let's find it.
What's wrong? Me, I go wake up Kayla and tell Kayla what me soon on your do. Are you hear about it? I know me like the daughter warrior. You want your daughter?
Baby already, you know. My baby just ready for develop. Me love me, make me breathe, give birth to me pitney in peace.
What you do, baby?
What that have a concern you? Me come over here and check my baby daddy. Girl, that's it. Member say, oi! Member say, I'm take care you go hospital, you know. Me could have left your pit dead, you know.
Me not busy about that.
And you first kidnap me.
Me not busy about that, you know.
So me kidnap her back.
Me not busy about that.
Me could have left your dead. Yeah, you pitney.
No friend.
Me not care that I mean say everyone
And
call
me
and make
make
you
you
know
know
the
this.
pitney.
Pen blank, you're the first one down.
Me not make the way I want to say.
Stop
You best with me not to leave.
Me have my big gut so.
I don't want to fight. Me never you. Me never want to fight
The
you.
whole I want to say when the belly come down like this.
Me never
One
chat
by
with you.
one, me take off the whole of my
Hey, yeah.
Where you go? Come on.
Yeah.
We are doing like that.
Hey, yeah.
We are doing like that.
Let me go.
We are doing like that. We are doing like that.
Where you say? No, where you just say? Taylor gone over backyard and one big piece of fighting over there. A lie. And left her pitney palm me and me dey wait for her all long all now she can't come back. So I don't understand you. I joke they make her a lie they tell. Taylor just a baby recently why she gonna fight end up in a fight and one heap of foolishness again. Me don't understand. Jesus Christ. Me can't leave the baby alone. You can't go over there for me. Oh, you're going to be here, hurry. Oh, Jesus Christ. What am I do now? Alright, thank you for telling me.
Kayla!
Oh, thank God you come. Come stay with the baby. Stay with the baby. See, look like a Kayla, they call it. Stay with the baby. Stay with the baby.
Alright,
And do not make no noise of the baby head.
So who you do nice of the
Let me
baby?
talk to you. Stand up over there, sir. And no sidestep me like you're a crab. You hear me? Listen to me. Stay with your pitney. Me soon come back. You understand me? And no carrying your dirty jing bang see friend them in here. And wake up the baby because him just drop asleep. God almighty, you know how long the baby take to drop asleep? The pitney no want to take no bottle breast she want. Alright him. You don't even know what cause I know me change the pampers you know. Kayla tell me say a boy, Kayla tell me say a girl, me don't know what kind of baby. Anyway.
So yeah, me be not pumping your belly, I'm not so wicked. Let me go. Hey, let me go. Let me go. Hey, hey, let me go.
Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Leave her alone.
You see, you're coming for me.
Leave her alone.
Hey, come on,
Come here. Come here.
Bob!
Who that?
I'm here, baby. Bob.
Yeah,
Me call for the baby.
look how baby.
You mean by?
Come go on home, yeah, you got. If Mr. Kayla and godmother gone, so I have come back on the kill with liquor and I can't help her. One over, please. I need to go.
Me call upon me.
Come look sponge baby. This a baby. You can't move.
I know your baby.
I'm my baby.
I know you're my man. I'm calling for my step baby.
Listen to me now. Listen to me now. If Kayla and godmother catch over here, they might go beat us. So I will call you later, alright? Walk safe, mama.
Alright.
Yeah, I cannot like stand out that problem. Yeah, what? That's Francis, man.
Yeah, you think I celebrate? Come here. You don't want to come on. Hey, yeah, you think I celebrate? You think I celebrate?
see you trying to get me up.
Hey, hello.
Where you go, where you?
I don't want to look in your backside with us. I see you're
I
pregnant.
breed.
I see you're pregnant.
You see,
Hello.
that come over here.
Where left you me and come over here? They fight girl. One.
I'm my baby daddy, me come and look for. Which day I'm baby daddy? Your baby daddy over here? Hey, Jesus. Where there? You here, woman now? What you gonna do ya?
What about the woman then?
What? Which man? Woman, which man you have ya? Woman, let me tell you this. See, Bob, I'm my baby daddy.
What am I, man?
I see you.
Oh, she is.
Miss Frost. We are. Watch ya. Jesus Christ. We are.
You good girl, I'm not telling figure. Oh, good night. Sorry. Sorry about that.
What Kayla then?
Kayla, night there.
Oh, my baby, come look.
Weird. Alright, go on. It's a good thing you come over yesterday, so. Alright, here we are. So, just give your hand the baby for me, please. Zin, because now I'm going over me and feel like so hot I go over there. I don't know what is going on over there, you know.
Yeah, baga woman, them are
No,
so
sir.
friend.
No, baga woman thing. But here, you see the baby wake up, you have 2 breasts, shoot at 9 months.
Hello, no milk, nothing of them.
When
You
make
see
it
milk in
suck
there?
the same way, you know, like them suck on soda.
Cool, yeah, I'm the mother, I have to do that. I'm the godmother, not the mother.
Use the catching gun, in gun then. Lock the
You know
door,
what
please.
kind of poop
I
on
saw
it?
come, man, I saw come. Nah, stay.
Go along, go.
Remember, say that girl, baby did breathe. That girl did lick me. That one. Oh,
all them one.
I want to see it.
Hey, relax.
I'm not wearing a bummy bill book coat. Oi, my last year when me make girl beat me like a family. Every time you come and hold me, if you want to be man, and come on for me, man, you can't see me there, Bob. Me can't be just one. No, I mean to go out. It's all I can black crap. Like a family there before the girl. Bob, you look like a man, Bob. Hey, what the hell? Do that. Get up. Let me go.
All right.
Do that.
Hey, baby! Oh my god! I miss you!
Oh, yeah, you come back.
Oh my god! I've been calling your phone and I can't reach you. Why?
Eh? My phone is going to be mashed up.
Oh my god, you should have. I have two phones. I think you have one.
Stop. Look out. Like you're rich man. Rich out.
No, don't say that.
Yeah.
We're close.
But watch ya. Now you your mama said they're foreign. It's ready, so.
My mama?
Yes, your mama.
Of course I was abroad. What's the problem?
There's no problem, ma'am. Hey! How long you did overseas, ma'am?
Do you have a problem with me? What's wrong? What's wrong with you?
Just asking a question. How long were you overseas?
That has nothing to do with you.
Okay, just come back and not twang. Hey! Dear lad. Why me love? Because your mama say they're foreign and you come back and not twang for me. Hey! Dear lad.
So ghetto. Oh.
You say, I don't know what is going on, but come like everywhere me go, me have to walk up on the process of the tormented people then. I need to have a word with you.
No.
Me hear say your baby mother have baby. Sir, how you may talk to me? You say your baby mother have baby and remember now say my daughter soon have soon time for she have baby too. So for the last time I did talk to you, you tell me say, you're going to make sure she's alright, and you're going to do this, and you're going to do that. And last week, I talked to the little girl, and I said to her, say, so what did Mr. Bob even do? She said she can't tell when last, you get nothing. And you tell me, say, you're going to take care of my daughter, baby, so what's going on? What's really going on?
Your daughter baby.
Oh, so she have to have baby before you can take care of her? No, she not have a baby yet.
Also, just that my answer. No, I tell her over again. I'm not going to tell her. You see, as long as you come to the baby, I will take care of it. You understand? Same like how I did that for Kayla. When I fear, listen, when she when I fear time, I got do that. As I tell her before, I work or something. You understand? I am working on it.
So hold on. Now I can't get it 100 because how long I tell before the belly even start show you tell me say I work on something. So I get to understand your story now. So if the woman up have the baby, she not gonna get nothing until the baby come out. That's all that you say?
No, I never did say that to her. But as we tell her before, I deal with it. Isn't it? When the time is right, the time is right. You understand? As we say, I'm not afraid about it.
You try make sure. I'm here, mama. I'm here. All the worries are going to depend. Because you say when you not do, and me have to do. When you not do nothing and me have to do, and I know me breeder, so you have to go stand up to your responsibilities. Me talk to you already, but you come like a joke thing you depend on me talk to you, but it's alright. One do what you do, you can do my business.
You know, so me always why you so ignorant again?
Because I don't like you.
But
Me don't like you.
If you want peace, you can get peace too.
Go on where you go.
Go on.
Demons, go on where you go. I'm going to take care of pity them. Alright.
You look good.
Thanks.
But I've been calling you because I want to take you over with me.
Eh?
I want to take you overseas with me.
You want to take me out? Right now, baby.
Do you have a passport?
Oh, no.
Okay, don't worry. I'll look about your passport for you. Don't worry. So you're coming?
Oi! Oh, you video with me and you are talking about you going foreign.
What is this?
Who is she? Baby what? Who is she? Who is you? Oh, we are carrying girl.
I'm his girl.
You're which girl? You're which girl? Which girl? Which?
What are you doing
girl?
like that? No, I don't come down.
Miss, go on with your business. Am I man this? You come at twang twang. Where you come from? Who is you?
This is my man. My name is Tia. You don't know me?
Miss.
Baby,
Baby what? Baby what? Eh?
every woman go on just a cause it just a follow.
Who you call class? Which fine you go? Miss,
Listen.
go on with your business.
Listen.
Go on about your business. I not go
can
nowhere.
be on your level. Leave my man alone.
Right. Yeah, man. You're just trying to nothing. You're just big and thing. Hey, I really know. Let it go. Good. Stand up. Go.
Listen.
Come on.
Not sure you see me come from foreign. And you think say me over the field while you think me can't beat you.
Remember, say me have a friend man fear that say about say him could have moved with you.
Well, see the thing is, I could have moved with him, but I'm not
Me not feel, you know, say I tell me right. From when you tell me say your mother come back, your mother don't gone as yet.
She did go and she come back, but now she come back. I would have wanted to come back, but she take her money come back. So you know that them can't put so much money back there. Remember say, Kayla there over there at first.
But Kayla didn't know.
Yeah, I know, but can't go.
But me go sleep and I know your mother not gonna have no problem.
We don't know that. You understand what I say? Mother come back here now, so you can't know if you can have.
Why? I just feel like, you know, I'm not saying so what?
But yeah, if I road map now or something.
Oh.
Good?
Yes, ma'am.
Go, nice.
Yeah, go. Okay.
Remember say you say you did. Remember say you say you did
rest
something,
my
so I
body.
come check you or something.
Oh, I just finished with you, so. I go book one now, right now. So you know, give me a hug. Alright, yes.
Better, yeah?
Yeah. hell must you a bus stop? You a bus
Yes,
stop?
up to where you want? Where you want?
Tough turbid girl, what me could have want? If I'm time to talk to you right.
Hello, me. Stop for something to talk to me. Because you stop me. What is the problem? Where you want with me?
You don't let me want to with you. Who is you if you want something with you? There's nobody, woman.
Because me I take your baby father.
Bob don't need you. You feel like you need you? You want me. You feel like you need you? You feel like you need you? You feel like you need you? Oh God! You call me mother. Hello? Mommy, you don't know say when I'm a woman and come in my belly, when you know that hospital.
I'm telling you, hungry now. I'm so come, man. She gonna use this shot before she come and see the picture. Hello.
Killer there.
No. Hold on there. Me a call about. Give me a minute. Hey, girl, me a talk to somebody.
You know, somebody, you know, are the grandfather for the baby.
Yeah, I know it. She come on, she come here now. Here, they are here just a shopping now.
Yeah.
She do her here.
When me tell her, say, me deal some to paperwork,
Yes.
I file me that file for her. So everything come true now.
You come through. So what you gonna do?
Don't carry her up.
Oh, so you baby too?
Exactly, because where baby I got to factory.
Yeah, that's nice. That's not sound too
So which one
bad.
are ages that she do?
What age is a shop around the road, man?
One alien, Sadai shop, Sadai. Granddaughter.
Your hand clean and put in my face? My baby not then delicate bad.
Every part probably clean, I won't tell you. Me I come there, me forgot to talk to her and come here.
Yeah, right.
Come on, we know how move start.
Go on. For the granny, you know.
What? Don't hear them go check and say me see and them say okay so.
Oh, come to do me here. I'm ready for do now.
No problem, I saw me come to kill her.
You see, baby?
Yeah.
Yes. I left him down here. Come to flat with him and walk with him. Walk with him already for 9 months. I don't want to walk with him anymore now.
What you saying? We're not far. We have to carry more far. By the way, I come to tell you say everything come true, you know.
So that.
Your papers them fake go where foreign.
You're not married?
We need a file for your man.
Children, you're not married? Oh my God.
Ah.
You're not married with Joe?
You don't know. By tomorrow, you know.
Tomorrow?
So, do your hair, fix up your barrel, do whatever you do, and the baby will come too.
The baby will come too.
So, do your hair, I don't know if I'm going to wait for you around there, so come here some other little things to deal with.
Alright.
So just do what you do. What kind of style you put in your head?
What that?
Mm-hmm.
You clean.
I don't mind car, but I drive me drive.
But without me go out the whole your file for me and thing, I'm so happy for that. I'm going to play out of the place. Let me get rid of crosses, Bob. No more Bob in my life. Find a new man now.
No bother with that, you know. No bother with that. Just finish do what you do and come get the things them and get the baby and check me over my yard
So
tomorrow morning. We are left 6 o'clock, so check me 4:30. What me say?
Alright. I'll check Bob 3 o'clock.
You don't go like 10 o'clock.
Me glad.
I'm firing that, you know.
Yes.
Alright.
For the iron bird.
Alright. Do it
Yeah.
You next.
Yes, I'm in next.
So what time do you look for you?
I'm at the 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
Alright. Yes!
We are forward then.
Yeah, tomorrow morning,
Man, nearly come.
You want can
Simple mathematics, man. Like, I'm going to take the car now, I'm going to tomorrow.
5:30 now, you know.
A good time, man. What time is like?
No, 7:45. We'll be there for by 5:30. Call her early.
Alright, no worries then, man. We check Travis around 4 o'clock. I'm going to have it earlier.
Alright.
I'm in the early road, working from Traffic in the morning, ready to the road. So, bam! The show is go. Just give me a text and I come phone. Yes, let me know what I'm going. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That's simple mathematics. Alright. How much are that, travel? 1? 2. 2 money that. Alright.
Mama, baby, don't you cry. Mama gonna buy you. I'm there. No, me flip my touch me baby. Don't touch me baby. Hold on. Back up there, Bob. Back up. No touch me baby. Me flip my touch me baby.
Wait. No for me, baby.
Hush, mama, hush.
Yes, daddy, there, baby.
No, not touch me baby. Me tell you this, Bob. Bob, me have things. My baby born, and I love my baby so much. I'm gonna tell you this plain and straight, Bob. I want to break up. The relationship is not going to work out. I do not want it in my baby life because all you do is disrespect me. What day after I have baby, I have to go turn and fight, girl. I been a fight. I been a carry baby for 9 months. I never once scared about me, Bob. All I do, Bob, is ill treat me, Bob. I feel up and down and look to you and you're my man. I feel like my baby father.
You don't left me there.
No, me not think me need a yes or no more. Me not think me need no more in my life. No, Bob. Me not think me need no more in my life. You know why, Bob? No. Come on, all you do is shame me. All when my mother they talk to me, my godmother talk to me, all the the whole and that course me in a class. Me see there, you go breathe out, Riri. You all my friend. Stop touch me pitney. Say me call me pitney a ball. Oh God. Oh, no, Bob. Me don't feel like me need it in my life. Mommy! Guys, man, can't baby a la ball. Bob, come out of the house, Bob. Mommy! Mommy! Oh, Jesus Christ. Bob, no man, Bob, make your baby a ball and irritate her. Make Bob move in front of me. No have nothing to do with Bob. Me and Bob done. I'm a daughter. Me a focus on right now. Me no need it in my baby life.
How long now we paying for this?
Me there for you, baby, now.
You know me say? It's over. Done.
Me see baby now.
No, Bob. You never yet have a daughter, Bob. This baby not gonna know say you exist.
Please.
I can't take no more with Bob, man. I'm tired of Bob. Bob just ruined me like. All the next one, my boy, you did dash me with my belly. Only God knows how I forgive you. Right now, I go take a shower. And if you go be there now, because I'm on the road.
Hello? Huh? I first knew that one. When? So should I know? Alright. Now come now, man. Mama, you could have told me say you're really fight last.
Baby, I thought somebody that be self-defense. I didn't know she beat me.
She lose the baby, you know?
I don't know, I don't care. So wait, then, even if she killed me, I don't defend myself, but I tell you what me do.
Woman, you know, say she girl pregnant. So
She knows that she a breed. She not fear attack people. She knows that she a breed.
So see me kill her in a fight, you know?
Okay, so I beat Kayla for me, I beat her back. Nobody now beat me. Get that. Where you go?
Me go down, me go check.
What do what?
Me go look for you and come back.
Hello.
Woman, you know what I think of me. I'm there, my day.
Hey.
Check for her.
Who that? Who that?
Hello, miss. Oh, you're not easy. Where really?
Problem.
But me don't understand, say, out the road I fight my daughter last night. I know she don't want hospital and lose her baby.
That's not fear business. So she attacked me for me. I defend myself.
And one thing I can tell you, turn in yourself to the police now.
I must see.
Turn in yourself to the police, because it now go so. So if you don't want to turn in yourself to the police, you go
You make your
don't go on
breathing
next
know
way.
say- You make your breathing people know that she a breathe. She feel fight alone. She can't manage it. Me no breathing woman like she not breathe. Me not nobody beat me. Me I defend myself.
Okay, so my daughter you have strength for all the while when Kayla beat out your backside, you have no strength for
Kayla
her.
be friend.
So my daughter you have
Kayla was
strength
my
for
friend. So I never want to beat my friend for she lose fear baby because if
She's no friend of
if
yours.
Kayla wasn't my friend, me beat Kayla to black camp. Do I tell me I tell her that? But she was my friend. She was my friend plus she a breed. Me
It's
no want
alright.
to
Me
be
not in a long talking
I'm
video.
in a long talking
Turn in
video.
yourself to the police, you
Come
may
out
tell
of
you.
my house.
Alright.
Come out.
You can't say me what tell. Look up here, but tell you I want you to say you're pitney. Me not want to hear nothing, you know. So you see, you know what? I'm glad my daughter lose the baby. But you see, you have to pay for it. So I come about my business. Turn in yourself.
I'm crosses, I'm man turn yourself. What am I place? Crosses. If you feel like come up with, look at my little you know.
The girl when named Mona, we beat up my daughter last night and make she lose her baby. Me see her with 2 bags of Nampa like I run she and I say try come now. If you make she get to it and now go catch her again. Hurry up and come mommy there yourself follow right on Nampa Road where the stop sign say one man stand up in a one black and white. Hurry up. Officer, come pick me and follow her. Put me on the plan and check all the plan and all. Officer, yes, you just come. Yeah, oh, you catch her. All right, thank you. I'm here. Riri, mama. Look here. Oh, look here. You know, see something in your face. What you mean by early it is?
Early morning.
Morning. Here's a Kayla have the baby that she will come look for.
Some wrong time. My kid have baby and they have a couple of days. So my father come take her. I'm gone for him.
Right, but that's nice still.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's
Come in
very
the one
nice,
more,
yeah.
yeah.
You don't know, say, the little crosses girl that I kill her friend away. The man there with her. You know, say she fight off my daughter last time I make my daughter lose the baby. But daughter in the hospital, you know. Yes.
So what she fighting on for?
And I was talking about she defend herself. She remember saying that she want the man for herself. She don't want nobody have the baby for the man. But guess what?
But here now, I kill a man first and Mona kill her friend. And I can't believe Mona really just sit on this.
Girl, I kill it, she kill it. But guess what now? All what me glad for, I saw it for work out long time. Can you see? Me never want to have no baby for the kill this boy there. So I got work it out. So but the girl now pop back but she run after me go in her yard. And go tell her so she must turn in herself to the police. Yeah, no. Oh, me not turn herself. What me supposed to do? I'm supposed to be top and make a daughter beat me. Me not turn it. When me look, I run the girl run away. I just trail her and call the police. And the police them grab her from the main and go away.
But you know that time I'm glad Kayla have the baby and his father come visit my father. They come here already and talk, you know. So anytime he come back, he might take Kayla, you know.
Okay, that's nice.
So
I'm
father
glad.
sent me. So you just there wait for Kayla if you have a baby now. Kayla have a baby, Kayla gone. Right. So me I go see what Bob and them I go do, who them I go take set pan.
Yes, so me kinda glad because I don't want my daughter in a drama. So everything work out for the best. So right now she can focus on the little business so maybe it'll fair.
And here you know again now. Me here want to look a room and say about him so gone himself, you know.
Yeah man, if you go on man, you see boy across his man. I
so
hope
much young girl one time.
So I hope your daughter stay. I hope her father keep her far from him. And I hope in the same place him go where your daughter going now.
You see, father and me are two different persons. Father will lick it on. When me not lick it on, the father will lick it on speechless.
Yeah man. Boy across this man. Keep boy go away my go man. Anyway, me I come go to the hospital go look for my daughter to make sure that she alright.
Yeah man.
Alright, so take care of yourself.
Alright.
So do I deal with that picture?
Come out.
No, listen. You go back on my back and you go fight the little girl and you go kill her baby. I don't know. I don't know what to say to you.
Find a good liar for me.
Who?
You.
So mama, I can't help you with that. Because I never tell you for beat up really. I don't know how you do it.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I do it for you.
You do it for me, I kill me pitney. I'm a pitney killer. Mama, you can't do something.
Me never mean to kill a pitney.
She dead.
I have to defend myself.
You try to pan, you see me, you try to pan earth and I want to go and run up and down on the whole place. But anyways, I got news for you. I had to go overseas to chill out for you, you know?
Eh? You for Canada?
Listen up.
Please don't go. I can't.
Wada!
You can't leave me.
Listen up.
I love you, you can't leave me.
You love me, I kill for me, pitney.
You never mean to kill a baby, please don't
Listen
go.
up.
Please no.
When you come out, you figure out how we are, yeah? Yes.
So we are saying, you leave me?
Yes.
And you leave me in here, so you didn't even say get a lie and take me out before you go away?
There, mama. You kill my baby, you know? See, if I did just fight, maybe I would have seen to it. But you kill me, me youth with the on earth and
yeah, baby like say, I fight me if I kill the baby.
But where you gonna fight out?
So what she come and attack me for? Me never defend myself. Not because she a breed. She knows that she dey breed. She don't fight one for one time she pregnant. Listen. And as me say, you need to get my lie and take no serious.
I am going.
You can't leave me.
Oh yes, me. Watch me. Let me go.
Seriously?
Listen. When I come out, you figure out how we are. How we deal with the little issue them. Isn't but you know me I go back and chill out. Me traumatized. I can't bother the little problem. You understand? I want to far up and I want to little place I go and chillax. So do what you do. Listen, you see if you want to come out quick, come out and good behavior. Don't in there war, darling. Let me go now. Thank you. I want flight ticket. Okay. For yourself, man, everything is good, isn't it? So just go and relax yourself as you're doing so to soak your breakfast come here. Isn't it? So just go and nah man. See you later, yeah? Later.
are driving, you probably say one me Japan now, car. We are driving, you know, and no, you know, temper you are going on.
Rasta, I know my style already. Me not like tell people where me I go, you see me?
That's Susie. Yeah, man. Yeah.
When me reach my destination, me tell you, me don't want nobody study me and follow.
Alright.
And predict.
I'm just a driver.
That's your job, just drive.
Driver for money.
When you hear one stop driver, you stop.
Alright. So you good though?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Woman like you know, man, I'm afraid of you.
Why?
You pop up on them and then you have the next side.
I'm sorry if you go.
Last woman pop up. She back up. Cause she look in her house and she say, ooh, her boyfriend cock up and a wrap up. And I pop up on people. Surprises, you will get surprised when I hear them.
I like surprises.
A crab time, you know, no crab for them.
You buy me too?
No man. No, because the price gone up on it, so me a pre-say, like how me take charter a day, me think I drive the car and try to get some crab a night. Let me get the harder. Because they say a $6,000 a dozen. 3,000 for 6. Good money.
Oh, so you want to sell me some?
Yeah, me that catch some and sell it for the crab.
Me alright, if you have done give it for free, me that take it.
No, me not give it for free.
Give me right out, I say.
When you say give me it right, I think that's something you want differently now. Oh. Just say one stop, you know, so one stop.
One stop right.
Suppose me tap a some gate, yeah, so. Then you lock me up, you know, because you say you forget it.
Then let me tell
But me wait for your hour. Yeah, sweet mom, you don't want to pay me. Thank you. Thank you very much.
No, me know why you come back to me.
Alright, that's all good things for you.
You know too much. When me I go and everything, go on.
Alright. You see your house, I try done, you try get a tile man.
Yeah, you know the tile man.
No, you're good man. Later. Yo, what one? Huh? Nah, yeah, no.
Oh, I show the breeze, the signal, the old man.
Oh, yeah, what one?
Me there, man. I wish I there. You're up on the road?
We are up on the road, man.
Oh, I pick more than one. You have to pick me up because I want to go meet here.
Alright, send me the location.
Alright.
Ah. No bad boy.
You know, say I think I'm going to meet.
Oh.
Yeah, man, I'm going to discuss. So we can fly out now.
Oh, you fly out?
Yeah.
What for your woman that does have pity, man?
Yeah, man, we know.
Oh, you fly go make the cheese?
Yeah.
Go make the bowl of money? The sugar and pampas money?
Yeah, better life.
Oh. So, you and Tia go?
Yeah.
So, go on to Kayla?
I tell her to go for a flight, but she doesn't listen, but she have, I'm going to make everything alright. So I think she's going to worry about that.
Well, that's how you go. So that look when you go with you?
Yeah. She now go overseas with me now.
Oh, you drop her somewhere?
Yeah.
Well, we just want to make a money you know, so we don't really care. Just temper off a drop you, we drop you, we figure out you. We don't care about nothing, boy.
Oh, head done, ball me come off.
End done?
Yeah.
Alright.
Over there. So the taxi business?
Well, on a taxi, you know, we do charter.
Yeah, charter.
And you know, say we put gas in the car, not water.
You man have to do that.
So how the baby with Kayla now?
Well, baby, good line up healthy.
So Kayla knows say I go?
No, sir, I'm not tell her. Nothing me can tell her. Cause maybe when we reach over, I can call her and tell her when we reach over. If she says me I go over, she'll go and come over there.
Well, that's how you go. Them pick up what they want, then take what they get.
Eh? Drive. Drive. Yeah. South. Soon.
It's a sunny day.
Yes, boy.
You feel like it's a money day. Alright. Reach a few place now and done. Well, them days are gone. Not too much and bright. You know, this country gone to the dogs, boy.
Yeah, but still, grandma, come here, I got fight, yeah? Yeah, but still, grandma, come on.
Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Reach to the end. 15, I'm pregnant, 10. Yes. See, Kiara, we get scammed. A man give a but if you can't look funny, the engine will look too bad. So that chick you too. You know what I mean? But no honesty. But anyway, what me have plan for do now, me have to go figure out a way now to cut out some of them trigger. So if you're there in Jamaica, and you go, and you go, you come, and you want a vehicle to sell, just contact me. I'll put it on the channel, advertise it, you know what I mean? So I have a whole lot of people who want vehicle to buy. But when them see them a thing you go on, them not too they not trust it. You know what I mean? So this is one transmission. You know what I mean? So I try to find one good dealer in the island. We have transmission for this vehicle. I've go buy one. I'm try to get one new one. Yeah, man. So the number on the screen still, if you know nobody have a new transmission or something like that, or which company, you know, we sell it. You know what I mean? Let me know what I go on. Likewise, if you have a vehicle you want to sell it, same way, I know what I go on. Send the picture it and the number, everything. Alright. You know what I mean? We work out the business part of it. I mean, I'm going on a business there. Because I realize that Jamaica now no, some people in Jamaica now no integrity. You know what I mean? So I think I'm going on the used car business and straighten it out and show people how you run. You know what I mean? So we'll start for nothing. So we'll start with advertisement first, but after a while, I think I'm going on it because too much foolishness are going on. And I'm alone. You know what I mean? The best way when you do it, man, if you buy a car from somebody, check out what's wrong with it, right? And if you're wrong with it, you fix it, then you sell it. You know, take it, general man, and then sell it back. That's the problem. Mashing up Jamaica, man. You know what I mean? The mindset is very bad. You know. Link it to the brethren who sell them the car, making seat. Say, yo, we're not pleased with the service, and I will never buy a car back from your place again. Right after you come out of Mandeville, you come on the roundabout because you take your left and you go up. The first up your up. A little short brown man. You know what I mean? The dishonest. You can tell her that. But we not do them thing there. You know what I mean? We're righteous people on earth. But yeah, you see it? Someone see vehicle there. we want to get one chance and show night now. And if we can drive again. Because the chance is never good for the first place. But apart from that, I say if you have a vehicle to sell, make a link. Number today. You understand what I say? Because we need to start. Make some link, connect up something across the island. Alright? Because all people know one vehicle to buy right now. But just like how me buy this and get knocked, I don't want the same thing to the people them. You understand? But anyway, we there go and put in some work as usual. Yeah man, see it yeah. Some of the day them get up in the man feel like just throw some fire pan and throw some gas pan and just light it. Can't go and come and just burn up it. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Too much crosses. Anyway, look out, we have some more movie that come up still. I put that in get in my energy still. You know what I mean? Because Ja see what I go on and Ja not sleep. So anyway, back to some movie. You know what I mean? So next week I come now. We have some new brand thing I kick out. You know what I mean? And the team will ease off a drama for a minute. Not for a minute, just a little while. I want to put in some more action movie now because I get some requests. So my viewers, please do understand where we are going. We are doing real movie, so we have to kick it up in real life. Yeah man. So we're there. Like you know. The show set a start and it's good. It's good. In fact, say only one thing wrong with it. I should be honest. Let's go.